Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing question number 2 from exercise 7.4. Alright, so the question is very easy. You have done in your yesterday's class also to compare the fraction and to put the appropriate sign. Very easy question. So let us solve this. Compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. So the number A question what we have here is 3 by 6 and 5 by 6. So you can easily see that both the denominators are same, absolutely same. So when both the denominators are same, so you can easily compare the numerator, right? So in such condition 5 is greater, so I'm going to put the sign less than sign over here. Okay, so you need to understand this, that whenever the denominators are same, you can directly compare the numerator, but when there is numerator different, then you will face a problem. You cannot compare directly. Okay, let's have a look for this. 1 by 7 and 1 by 4. Let us compare these two fraction. Here you can easily see that this both numerator are not same, sorry, denominator are not same. So in order to make it same, we have to find the LCM of 7 and 4. So 7 ones are 7, 4 ones are directly 4. So 7 4 is 28, right? So we have to make 28 in both the case. Alright, so we have in each fraction we have to make 28. So we got LCM 7 and 4 LCM, we got 28. So now we have to make both this denominator, same. How we are going to make? By multiplying the number which is the required number, that is 28. We have to reach 28 was our LCM. So to make 28, what we have to, in this case, we have to multiply. So if you are multiplying 4 in the denominator, then it is very compulsory to multiply 4 in the numerator also. Here also, not only for this, we have to apply for this also. That is, whenever we have to convert this 4 into 28. By multiplying with 7, you will get 28. Again, in the numerator also, you have to multiply with 7. So now what will be the fraction? So the required fraction will be 4 and 28 here, and 7 and 28 here. Now you are having a same denominator. If you have a same denominator, then you can directly compare the the numerator. So this is the way of doing. Alright, you can easily see that in between 4 and 7 is a greater number, so that's why put the sign, appropriate sign over there. So but the first very important thing which you people are very much unfamiliar to the term, that is the denominator LCM should be done when you are having different denominator. All right, so number C, I request you all to do it yourself, because here the denominators are same. All right, so now number C, you have to do it yourself. Number D, let's do it. 3 by 5 and 3 by 7 we have to compare. Here you can easily see that the denominators are absolutely totally different, only the numerators are different, right? So for this also, let's use the same logic, that is compare, find out the LCM of the denominator given to us. 5 ones are, they are our prime number, so the LCM of this two number is 5 into 7 is 35. 5 into 7 is 35. Now whenever we are I have already told you, whenever we are making the same denominator, our LCM whatever we got, that we have to make the denominator we have to make, that will be our target. So multiplying with what, we are going to get 35. Of course 5 7s are 35. So if you are multiplying 7 in the denominator, in the numerator also you have to multiply with the same number. Yes. So in the second fraction also, what we have to do, we have to multiply with the same we have to multiply with such number which we will in which we will reach our target, that is 35. So 7 5 is 35. So in the numerator also you have to multiply with the same number. Now 7 3 is 21, 5 7 is 35, 5 3 is 15, and 7 5 is 35. So in both the case we got the same denominator. Now you can directly compare. So you can see 21 by 35, or you can say easily that 3 by 5 is greater than 3 by 7. Okay, so in this manner the sum is solved. Number C, I request you all to do it yourself. I hope you people have understood. So in our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.